Leader, third party.
Thank you, Honourable Speaker. Honourable Speaker, I move that a bill entitled the Freedom of Information and Protection of Privacy Amendment Act 2018, of which notice has been given in my name on the order paper, be introduced and read a first time now. Honourable Speaker, the right to privacy is well established in British Columbia, as is the right to be free from discrimination because of gender identity and expression. Under the Freedom of Information and Protection of Privacy Act, however, gender identity and expression is not recognised as a category of personal information that must be protected when its disclosure may harm a third party. In addition to proposed changes to ensure the protection of gender identity and expression in freedom of information releases, the bill also proposes a move to gender-inclusive language. This would demonstrate a commitment to protect the personal information of gender identity and expression in the legislation to an even larger extent and provide the Act with an update making it more representative of the people it is meant to protect. Honourable Speaker, I wish to recognise the young members in the gallery today who have been quite instrumental in bringing this to my attention, as well as the good work done by the member from Vancouver West End, who's championing this in the legislature over many years, has also informed me and others as to the importance of this acts like these.
Thank you. The question is first reading of the bill. All those in favour say aye. Aye. Opposed, nay. Motion carried. Member.
Thank you, Honourable Speaker. I move that the bill be placed on the orders of the day for second reading at the next sitting of the House after today.
You've heard the question. All those in favour say aye. Aye. Opposed, nay. Motion carried. Leader, third party.
Thank you, Honourable Speaker. I move that a bill entitled the Personal Information Protection Amendment Act 2018, of which notice has been given in my name on the order paper, be introduced and read a first time now. The protection of people's private and personal information is essential, especially when the information could have negative impacts or when its release was not consented to. Too often, personal information regarding gender identity or expression is revealed. This amendment would replace 16 instances of gendered language throughout the Act with gender-neutral language. By explicitly making a point of doing this, it reinforces to those who may rely on the Act that gender identity and expression is important personal information that should be not revealed without that party's consent. This bill will build trust between those who wish to keep their gender identity and expression private and those they seek guidance from concerning personal and confidential issues. I too would like to thank for this as well the youth in the gallery above for bringing this to my attention, and once more to the member from Vancouver West End who as an advocate for language and issues like this over the years has also made this an important topic of discussion in the legislature.
The question is first reading of the bill. You've heard the question. All those in favour say aye. Aye. Opposed, nay. Motion carried. Member.
Thank you, Honourable Speaker. I move that the bill be placed on the orders of the day for second reading at the next sitting of the House after today.
You've heard the question. All those in favour say aye. Aye. Opposed, nay. Motion carried.